hay gente que lo metió el papel ahí, se jode
No
la
te
máquina,
creo.
boludo.
Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Very good, very good.
Don't film me, man.
All right, let's see how much I can get for this scrap metal. This is money right here. That's more money right there. Big money right there.
Great money.
Big money. All this is gonna be separate. All this is gonna be separate. I'll show you when I get to the scrap metal where you sell it.
Oh, you ever seen these?
That came off a 2008 Honda CR-V. It exploded. Keep that. So how many compressors we got here? It's a dryer. Valve body. So little valve body. So we got one compressor, two compressor, three compressor, four compressor with this hot weather. All the compressors are going bad. Look at that tiny one. That's off a 96 CRV. This one was a 2008 Silverado Honda CRV. The three Honda CRV. One, two, three, four, 5 AC compressor. That went bad. Ooh, that one's leaking. 5 AC compressor in less than a month. Wow. Hot weather. Don't like compressor. All right, let's see how much we can make out of this trash. All this would be trash. All right, trash, 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 trash. This was the one I threw over in the back there. So now we're gonna separate the rotors and the aluminum. So all the aluminum we're gonna put in one car and all the rotors on another car. Pesadito Y ahora sí te lo meto. Oh, no. Se iba a meter el papel.
Sí. Hay gente que lo metió el papel ahí, se jode
No
la
te
máquina,
creo.
boludo.
Ahí está.
Dale, loca.
Dale, nos vemos. Alright, so I brought this one back because it's aftermarket and they want to give me $3 for it. $3. Alright, so look. Out of that trash, this is how much we made. $130. $130 from trash.